So what you're gonna do is start up the car. So once you do that, you will use this pad here to reset the meter light. So you can push left or right, doesn't really matter, to make this area pop up the screen you want it. So I'm gonna push this, and you can see that you're moving to a different area, and you want to go to here. Then you go down. To vehicle setting. You have to hold it down. Go down. Into say maintenance. Schedule maintenance. Yes. After that, go back. You can do the oil maintenance too. Go down. Enter. Push yes. And that's it. And if you want to go back and get out of the screen, you push back. And after that, you can go back where you had it before. Whatever you want. I just leave it there.